This is page 16 in your packet. We are going to talk about multiplying binomials. That means when we have a group of 2 multiplied by a group of 2, and we are going to use the distributive property to do that. So we use a method that we call FOIL, and we say FOIL to help us remember. F in FOIL stands for first. And when I mean first, I mean I take the first terms and I'm going to multiply them together. So I'm going to say x times x. And we remember when we multiply x's like that, we get x squared because we really are adding those little ones. O stands for outside. And that means the term on the outside. So it would be x times 3, which in Happy Math Land we write as 3x. I stands for inside, which is the 2 on the inside. Actually, when I draw my lines for my outers, I always go underneath. The inside one would be 2 times x, which is 2x. And L stands for last, the last term in each group. 2 times 3 is 6. So after you FOIL, you would put the 2 middle terms together. We would combine the 2 middle like terms. And remember that x times x is always x squared. So I know that did not make a lot of sense, but we're going to do some examples, and then I think that it will make sense. So let's start with number 1. I start with my F first. N times N is N squared. Outer, so that was my first. Here's my O. N times 8, so it'll be plus 8N. Inner, 5 times N plus 5N. And last, 5 times 8 is 40. Combine my middle terms. 8 plus 5, 13. N squared plus 13N plus 40. Your answers in FOIL will typically be something squared, something with just one letter, and a regular number. All right, let's do number 2. If it helps you, make the minus 4 a plus negative. So first, that needs to be an F, not an L. X times x is x squared. Outer, x times 7 is 7x. Inner, x times negative 4 is negative 4x. And then last, negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. Put my middles together. I get x squared plus 3x. 7 plus negative 4 is 3. You can either write minus 28 or you can write plus negative, whichever way you prefer. Let's look at number 3. First, okay, this is a 2x times 5x. And remember, those guys have ones on them. So remember that we multiply the big numbers, 10, and we add the little numbers. So it's 10x squared. First, outer, 2x times 6 is 12x. Ooh, let's make this a plus negative to help us out. Inner, negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. Last, negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Old school baby math these. I end up with 10x squared plus 7x minus 6, or plus negative 6. All right, here's our last practice one before I set you free. Negative 5 times negative 10 is a positive 50. Their last name is X, and we add those guys get a 2. So 50x squared. Outer, negative 5 times negative 7, that's a positive 35x. Inner, 8 times negative 10 is a negative 80x. And then last, 8 times negative 7 is negative 56. That's old school baby math, these guys. So final answer, 50x squared minus or plus negative 45x minus or plus negative 56. All right, now that you know how to FOIL, flip over on the other side. I need you on page 17 to just do 3 problems, 1, 2, and 3. When you are done, show it to me. Thank you.